late. Incoming House Oversight Committee Chairman James Comer of Kentucky joins the story. Twitter CEO Elon Musk teased on Wednesday that he might release more information on how the social media company censored the Hunter Biden laptop story during the 2020 presidential election. News personality Alex LaRusso asked followers to raise your hand if they supported making all internal discussions about the decision to censor the @NYPost story on Hunter Biden's laptop public. Musk responded, "This is necessary to restore public trust." Many users agreed with Musk's call for transparency, with some replying with raised hand emojis. Americans will be shocked, former Hunter